Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. So I am an investment banker. I hold over 12 years of experience working in this investment banking and financial modeling. Okay. So I'm making this short video for all of those like who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. Okay. So this video will also be relevant for those people or those students who are looking to migrate or who are looking to basically switch their fields into like investment bank, who are looking to basically build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling and currently working in the other fields of finance. Okay. So in this short video, so we are going to talk about what are the requirement for getting into these kind of job. Okay. So in case you are a fresher or in case you are looking to build your career in the financial modeling or investment banking, so there are some prerequisites or that there are some pre-requirements which employers or these recruitment firms basically looks at. Okay. The first one is basically about your academic background. Okay. So they will check your academic background, the college, university that you're coming from. Okay. So although like this can be overlooked in certain situations, but for bulge break in investment bank or bigger M&A firms, so these firms are specifically looking for your academic background. Okay. Other than that, so there are a few skill set that you will require to basically get excelled in this particular field. So these are like basic to advanced Excel skills. Along with that financial analysis skill, so you should also be having the problem solving skills. Okay. So these are the skill sets that you'll be requiring to get excelled in this skill. Okay. So then along with that, so in case you really want to get shortlisted and in case you want to build your career, so when you'll be applying for these kind of opportunities, so they will be asking you to basically work on certain case studies or aptitude based tests. Okay. So these are the criteria, the shortlisting criteria for these employers when they look for any candidates within these job sets. Okay. So we have talked about like what are the pre-requirements and what are the prerequisites for these kind of jobs. So now we'll be looking at like what are the skill sets which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay. So the first one is basically about the conceptual knowledge. Okay. So you should have good accounting knowledge. You should have good understanding about the time value of money concept and the basics of finance. Okay. Along with that, the financial statements, like you should have a good understanding of like the profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, how these statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay. Then you should have basics to advanced Excel proficiency. You should be able to work on VLOOKUP, like basic to advanced Excel formulas such as VLOOKUP, index match, pivot table, conditional formatting, data tool, and so on. Okay. And within the investment banking or financial modeling, so you'll be working on different kind of models depending upon different kind of situations. So these are like DCF, LBO, M&A, three statement models. So these are like different kind of models that you'll be working on as a part of your daily job. Okay. So while you will be working on these models, so you'll be working on some sort of projections. Like when you'll be building these three statement models, so you will be basically doing some projections for the company for the next 5 year, 3 years. Okay. For that reason, so you'll be having good understanding about the business, how the revenue of the company is basically being driven. Okay. What are the costs associated with the business, like what are the different kind of expenses and costs associated with the business. Okay. And on what level, so in case you are moving forward, uh, in case you are looking to enter into the growth stage, so then on what stages the capital investments are basically required from time to time. Okay. So then the finally is like the financial modeling is not just about the numbers. Okay. So you should be good with like how you are presenting your analysis in a dashboard using some dashboard charts or storytelling. Okay. So this is all about, so these are the skill set that you'll be requiring to get enter into this particular field. Okay. So for that reason, so I have just done a quick comparison between two of the best uh, financial modeling and investment banking courses which are available online. Okay. And we will be doing a quick comparison between those, and then so you can take a call like which course will be more suitable for you as per your requirement. So now I'll be moving to do a comparison between both of these courses. Okay. So now we will look into two of the best financial modeling courses available online. Okay. So first of all, we will talk about the Hi-Educare Financial Modeling course. Okay. Okay. So the course is well structured to help students of the investment banking from finance as well as non-finance background. The online as well as instructor-led interactive course is spread across 100 hours across 3 months and can be attended from any part of the world. So the student can join from the classroom across multiple cities in India, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, etc. So the student can also join from comfort of their homes with the support of internet connectivity. Okay, so the structure and the content of this course are accounting crash course, the advanced topic analyzing financial reports, crash course in bonds and debt, corporate finance crash course, Excel crash course, PowerPoint crash course, financial statement modeling, DCF modeling, trading comms, transaction com, M&A modeling, LBO modeling, advanced LBO modeling. So all of these things are basically covered in this particular course. So if we talk about the fee structure of this course, so you will be paying 30,000 for interactive training sessions and support fees, and along with that you'll be paying 18% GST on the top of that. So that will make it 35,400 as a total fees to Hi-Educare. And in case you want the certification and you would like to go for the examination, so then you'll have to basically pay a fees of $499. So that fee will be paid to the Wall Street. So you'll be getting the Wall Street certificate along with the examination uh, of this particular course. Okay. So now we'll be looking at one more course, which is also a very good course. Okay. So this basically comes from the IIM skills. Okay. Let me just open it. So these are the course highlights of IIM skills. Okay. The 185 plus hours of course delivery, 100 plus hours assignment, 25 plus hours of doubt solving classes, 24 into 7 support, 4 capstone projects, 100% job guarantee, money back guarantee, lifetime LMS access, one-to-one mentorship, job portal exclusive access. So if we talk about the curriculum that they are covering in this course is basic and advanced Excel, accounting concept and financial statement, ratio and KPI analysis, technicals of financial modeling, different types of financial models, business valuation, news tools. So everything you are going to learn in this course as well. Okay. So along with that, so you'll also be getting some job interview skills like resume building, mock interview preparation, LinkedIn profile building, communication skill, business case studies, estimate, quizzes, hackathon, and so on. Okay, so more. So if we talk about the fee structure of this particular course, so this course comes with three different variants. Okay, so the first one is the self-paced program. So in this variant, you'll only be getting the recording of the pre-recorded classes. Okay, so that is basically a self-paced learning course. 1 year LMS access that you'll be getting, job support you'll be getting, placement portal access you'll be getting, 2 financial model templates worth $600 you'll be getting as a part of this course. Okay, so you'll not be getting any one-to-one mentorship, internship, work from home, or any these kind of things. Okay, so you'll not be getting any refund if you go for the basic course. Okay, so for this course you'll be paying somewhere around 29,900 rupees along with 18% GST. So then comes the master program. Okay, so in this course you'll be getting live classes, lifetime LMS access, job support, placement portal access, 5 statement model templates worth $2,000. Okay, WhatsApp group mentorship, paid internship, LinkedIn profile optimization, everything. So all these things are basically covered in this course. So this course comes for 50,000 rupees along with 18% GST. So then comes the job guarantee PG program. So in this you'll be getting along with the other things that you're getting in the master programs, you'll also be getting the placement support, work from home, global placement guarantee, leadership lounge access, campus immersion, personal branding toolkit, international freelancing. So in this particular version, so you'll also be getting 50% fee refund if you are not placed anywhere after completion of your course. Okay, so the fee for this particular course is going to be somewhere around 1,50,000 plus 18% GST. Okay, so now we are going to do a quick comparison on both of these courses. The one is basically offered by IIM Skills. The other one is basically coming from Hi-Educare. Okay, so we'll do a comparison basis some parameters. Okay, so after looking at both of these courses, so I've done a quick comparison between both of these courses. Like the one is offered by IIM Skills and the other one is basically offered by Hi-Educare. Okay, so I have listed down a few parameters on the basis of which like I've done this analysis. Okay, So the first one is basically about the course depth. So both of these courses basically covers the entire curriculum and the content that is basically required to get excellent in this field. Then if we talk about the Excel skills, so you'll be getting in both. Live session you'll be getting in both. Okay, so for that reason I've rated them equally. So if we talk about the live doubt session, so you'll be getting that in the case of IIM skill, but in the case of Hi-Educare, so they haven't mentioned anywhere on their website. So for that reason, I've rated them 0. Okay. So for the internship and placement support, if you go with the master course with IIM skills, so you'll be getting the internship as well as the placement support from IIM skills, but from Hi-Educare, so you'll not be getting any kind of internship or placement support as that is not mentioned on their website. Okay. If we talk about the fee, the course fee, so for this course, you'll be paying about 50,000 plus GST for the master course. Well, here you'll be paying 35,400 including the GST. Along with that, you'll be paying $500 for the certification and for the examination. Okay. So if we talk about the course fee, so in this case, I will be rating IIM skills as 1 and Hi-Educare as 0 because Hi-Educare is basically charging more. So then for the course duration, both of these courses will be done in 3 to 4 months of time from, okay. So then money back guarantee. So you'll be getting the money back guarantee on certain cases if you go with IIM skills, but that is not available in the case of Hi-Educare. And for the LMS access, so you'll be getting the lifetime LMS access if you go with IIM skills, but that is not available. So that is in the case of Hi-Educare. So you'll be getting the limited LMS access for the content that you have gone through. Okay. So on these parameters, so IIM skills have scored 10 out of 10 and Hi-Educare has scored 4 out of 10. So based on these analysis and based on my own understanding, so I would recommend you go with IIM skills for this particular course. So because this course offer more extensive kind of learning, and along with that, so you'll also be getting live doubt sessions, internship support, placement support. So this course basically covers everything. Okay. So I would suggest you to go with IIM skills. Okay. So in case you need any other further assistance from my end, so put your comments in the comment section. Okay. And thanks for watching the video.